Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with me, James. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'll make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features of the interior. The vehicle we have here is a 420D M Sport Coupe and it is presented in the black sapphire metallic. Alongside that we've got the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. And we've had the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. You'll see at the front of the vehicle we've got the Angel Eye xenon headlamps on this vehicle. Down the side of the car, it's got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars and the YNC Mperformance stickers. You'll all be able to see that very striking coral red Dakota leather, which works ever so well with the black sapphire metallic of the exterior colour. The front seats have not only the heated option, they also come with the electric lumbar option as well. Interior trim wise, you get the aluminum hexagon and high gloss back inserts, and in the rear you'll find a Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the centerfold armrest and center storage tray, along with the very nice M Sport black headlining as well, which works to make a very nice and very popular colour combination for the 4 Series. Again, just showing you off how nicely presented these alloy wheels are and what a fantastic job having them refurbished has really done for them. Again, moving towards the rear of the car, we've got a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the same on the rear diffuser. I'll open up the boot to allow you to have a look at the luggage capacity, and again just how nicely presented it all is in there and how well kept the vehicle has been. Again, often a surprise for people when they come to see the 4 Series is just how large that boot space is. So the idea of these videos is just to give you that bit of informed information before arriving, should you choose to come and want to see one of our vehicles. You also do have the split folding seat option on the 4 Series, so again you can even enhance that space even further. Onto the other side now, where again I'll just show you how nicely presented this vehicle is. Thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today, I'm glad I got that one right. Normally I stutter a little bit on that one. You can see just how nice this black sapphire metallic paint really is, and it's even hitting the bi-colour jet black alloy wheels as well as an added bonus. So you can see how well they work together as a pairing, and of course not forgetting the very special and striking coral red Dakota leather. Moving on, I'm going to take a seat and we'll show you around a bit more detail inside. The vehicle comes with the BMW Business Navigation and Media. At the moment we've currently got the communications menu up, which is where you'll pair your devices for both Bluetooth, telephone and of course audio. DAB radio, along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs which we've just covered one of, and another few being the USB and AUX capabilities. There is of course the navigation screen. Heading over to take a look at the vehicle service information and service requirement screen. This vehicle has just had an in-house service in our specialist workshop and does come with an invoice to prove so, and as you can see there, it benefits now from not needing a service for 19,000 miles, along with the dual climate control, which is where you'll find the switches for the heated seats as well. We've got the very nice 6-speed manual combined with that 190 brake horsepower diesel engine up the front. Cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume control, all situated on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 42,000 miles and is ever so nicely presented. So as always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful, and if you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below. Also, you'll find all of the relevant contact information and of course links to this vehicle on our website in the description. You'll also be able to check out the pricing and of course any options for finance, should that be something that you are interested in for this vehicle, along with all of our other incredible examples here at Your Next Car. And again guys, if you've not yet already done so, remember, if you want to be kept up to date with all of our latest and newest stock here at Your Next Car, remember to hit that subscribe button, that way you can be kept up to date. Thank you, take care, goodbye.